Hi everyone. Welcome to this video where we go through possible questions and answers for the Social Studies test, focusing on Chapter 3, Critical Thinking and Digital Judgment. This chapter covers essential topics such as critical thinking, ethical awareness, social media, and digital judgment. Whether you're preparing for the test or simply want to gain a better understanding of work and life in Norway, this video is here to help. Let's dive into the questions and start practicing. Question 1. Do you need permission to share photos of others on social media? A. Sometimes, but not if we know them well. B. Yes, you should always ask first. C. No, you can share anything due to freedom of speech. Correct answer. B. Yes, you should always ask first. Question 2. What can't you write on the internet? A. Negative reviews of Norwegian society and the royal family. B. Racist and discriminatory statements. C. Religious criticism and criticism of public figures. Correct answer. B. Racist and discriminatory statements. Question 3. What is a hallmark of good digital judgment? A. Not expressing personal opinions others disagree with. B. Avoiding posting pictures on social media. C. Only writing things you'd say face to face. Correct answer. C. Only writing things you'd say face to face. Question 4. What is privacy protection about? A. The right to privacy and control over your personal information. B. The right to freely express yourself in public spaces. C. The right to be protected from racist and discriminatory statements. Correct answer, A. The right to privacy and control over your personal information. Question 5. What is source criticism? A. To evaluate what you read. B. To disagree with what you read. C. To dislike what you read. Correct answer. A. To evaluate what you read. Question 6. What fits with Norwegian society? A. That everyone should have their own opinions. B. That everyone should agree as much as possible to avoid arguments. C. That everyone should disagree as much as possible because disagreement can lead to new solutions. Correct answer. A. That everyone should have their own opinions. Question 7. What should you consider when reading something on the internet? Multiple correct answers. A. Who wrote the text? B. Are the details in the text accurate? C. Does the writer have a specific agenda? All the three answers are correct. So the correct answers are A, B, and C. Question 8. What is one advantage of social media? A. You can share private information with anyone. B. You can stay in touch with family and friends. C. You can post sensitive information without risk. D. You don't need to be critical of your sources. Correct answer, B. You can stay in touch with family and friends. Question 9. What does privacy protection mean? A. The right to share others' information without permission. B. The right to be protected from illegal statements. C. The right to privacy and control over your own information. D. The right to be anonymous on social media. Correct answer. C. The right to privacy and control over your own information. Question 10. Which piece of information is considered personal data? A. An opinion you share online. B. Name and address. C. A picture of a public building. D. A general news article. Correct answer. B. Name and address. Question 11. Which principle protects privacy? A. Norwegian Constitution, Article 17. B. The European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR. C. The Law on Sharing Digital Traces. D. The Freedom of Speech Act. Correct answer. B. The European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR. Question 12. What is a good indicator of digital judgment? A. Writing whatever you want since you are anonymous. B. Using respectful comments as if you were speaking face to face. C. Sharing personal pictures without permission. D. Ignoring privacy laws. Correct answer. B. Using respectful comments as if you were speaking face to face. Question 13. What is a risk of sharing pictures on social media? A. That they will be deleted quickly. B. That they can be stolen and misused. C. That no one can see them. D. That they can't be edited later. Correct answer. B. That they can be stolen and misused. Question 14. What limits freedom of speech on the internet? A. Network speed and connection. B. Privacy laws and laws against discriminatory statements. C. Rules for the number of posts per day. D. How many followers you have. Correct answer. B. Privacy laws and laws against discriminatory statements. Question 15. How can you ensure you share information responsibly on the internet? A. Only share information that can't be traced back to you. B. Ask for permission before sharing information about others. C. Share as much as possible to be transparent. D. Use complex passwords on all your accounts. Correct answer. B. Ask for permission before sharing information about others. Question 16. What do Norwegian children learn about critical thinking in school? A. To retell textbook texts without questioning them. B. To argue, ask questions, and be creative. C. To avoid discussions with other students. D. To follow everything the teacher says without reflection. Correct answer. B. To argue, ask questions, and be creative. Question 17. Why is it important to be critical of sources? A. Because all information on the internet is correct. B. Because anyone can publish information on the internet. C. Because all books contain errors. D. Because it's illegal to question sources. Correct answer. B. Because anyone can publish information on the internet. Question 18. Which question is relevant for source criticism? A. What is the price of the information? B. How many people have read the text? C. Who wrote the text, and what is their agenda? D. Whether the text is short or long. Correct answer. C. Who wrote the text, and what is their agenda? Question 19. What does ethical awareness involve? A. Following rules without thinking for yourself. B. Balancing considerations to make good choices for society, others, and yourself. C. Avoiding making decisions on your own. D. Focusing only on your own needs. Correct answer. B. Balancing considerations to make good choices for society, others, and yourself. Question 20. What must you do when using other people's texts or images? A. Change them so they become your own. B. Share them without citing the source. C. Always credit the copyright owner. D. Only use them if they're not on the internet. Correct answer. C. Always credit the copyright owner. Question 21. How can you develop new knowledge and insights? A. By copying established ideas without questioning them. B. By asking questions and discussing the established. C. By avoiding disagreements and critical reflection. D. By only using information from friends. Correct answer. B. By asking questions and discussing the established. Question 22. Which example shows good critical thinking? A. Trusting everything in a textbook without reflection. B. Investigating several sources before concluding. C. Rejecting all new information as incorrect. D. Only trusting information from social media. Correct answer. B. Investigating several sources before concluding. Question 23. What does it mean to be open to the idea that your own knowledge may be incomplete? A. Assuming everything you know is wrong. B. Admitting you are always right. C. Understanding that you can learn from others and adjust your views. D. Avoiding discussions to avoid mistakes. Correct answer. C. Understanding that you can learn from others and adjust your views. Question 24. What is the purpose of learning to argue and discuss? A. To win every argument. B. To strengthen your ability to reflect and make informed choices. C. To convince others without listening to counterarguments. D. To avoid making your own decisions. Correct answer. B. To strengthen your ability to reflect and make informed choices. Which statements are correct? Privacy protection is the right to privacy and control over personal information. Throughout the day, we often leave many digital traces, but they are not stored. Freedom of speech in Norway is absolute and has no limitations. Private images can be stolen by people who misuse them. Social media includes platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The correct statements are: Privacy protection is the right to privacy and control over personal information. Private images can be stolen by people who misuse them. Social media includes platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Next statements. Information found on the internet is correct. In Norway, the goal is for everyone to agree. Ethical awareness is about balancing different considerations to make better decisions. Source criticism is about disagreeing with what you read. Critical thinking and ethical awareness help develop better judgment. The correct statements are: Ethical awareness is about balancing different considerations to make better decisions. Critical thinking and ethical awareness help develop better judgment. Next statements. When reading information on the internet, you should ask yourself some critical questions. At school, children learn to argue for their opinions. In many contexts, critical thinking and ethical awareness are both a prerequisite for and a part of learning. Only authorized people can post information on the internet. For new knowledge and insights to develop, you need to question and discuss the established. The correct statements are: When reading information on the internet, you should ask yourself some critical questions. At school, children learn to argue for their opinions. In many contexts, critical thinking and ethical awareness are both a prerequisite for and a part of learning. For new knowledge and insights to develop, you need to question and discuss the established. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you prepare for the social studies test. Remember, every bit of practice brings you closer to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to create more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck with your studies, and see you in the next video, where we'll cover even more questions and topics to help you succeed.